My name's Rich Walker. I'm Parkland City Commissioner, District 2. I'm here today visiting JA World, watching the kids learn how to be grown-ups in a kid atmosphere. It's a great experience for the kids, and looking forward to watching them, go through different jobs, titles, deposit checks, real-life experiences. It's a great opportunity for the kids. I'm a father of 5. This is the first time that I've gotten to experience JA World not in a volunteer role. 3 of my kids have come through this program previously. I have 2 more yet to come. Looking forward to next year, see where I get to volunteer when my son Drake is here. One of the things that impresses me most is how organized they are, how realistic these storefronts are. When the kids walk in, you can see their faces, the awe that they see, how impressive the buildings are, and the storefronts. They really get an experience, and this is something that goes with them for years to come.